ASTI stock analysis and ASTI stock prediction. In this brief short 1-minute video, I'm breaking down my exact play with Ascent Solar Technologies. I like the 15% increase for this freaking Friday, and this is how my chart looked like from beforehand. I mean, yeah, no rules here because we have pretty juicy new price action. You know, it's quite volatile here, which I quite like. And because it's pumping up, I'm just willing to juice the most that I can out of it, you know? So I'm willing to just jump in on this bandwagon and buy more. So how's it going to look like? Well, I have this top here. Boom. In this demand zone. Only if I see the confirmation taking place, which is going to be the biggest factor here, only then I'm looking to just double down on this, right? And it can be even like a 1-minute chart. I don't quite care. What I care about is that the rules need to be met, because you know the market is fractal. So if you want to learn how making 5, 10K at one trading, click the first link in the description, get the free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, enjoy.